Good morning, students. This class we will discuss about closed die forging. First, we will discuss what is forging, what are the components to produce with the support of forging. Forging is one of the metal forming process. The metal is heated finally to get that required shape with compressive or impact force. When the force is carried out above its recrystallization temperature, is called hot forging. Generally, connecting dot crankshaft can be produced by this method. Next, we see classification of forging process. One is a open die forging, another one is a closed die forging. Next, we discuss the closed die forging. The metal is placed between that two dies, upper die and that bottom die. Initially, the metal is heated and then placed. So when you have to apply the force, the metal get deformation, like that plastic deformation. The flow occur inside that cavity of dies. Process simply utilizes the forces from a closed die forging. So compared to open die forging, the full force to be used in that particular process. So finally, the metal deform to fill the cavity and to get that required shape as per our requirements. In that closed die forging, we get that good surface finish. So the metal is placed between the die and to apply the force. The deformation metal only in around that cavity of dies. There is no provisions come out from that die. So the expected surface finish and quality we get with the support of closed die compared to that open die forging. Then that reduced or no machine, so no need to go for that secondary operations. So dimension is with a tighter tolerance because once you have to fully focus to prepare that die, so we expect her to get the right results as per our requirements. So one of the drawback of that closed die, the die cost is high. So if you want to various component, you have to produce the various types of die. This is that one of that limitations of that closed die forging. Next, we discuss draw forging. Here, die is used for draw forging, consists of two halves, lower part and upper part. That objects, what type of objects have to convert to that required shape, object is placed at the bottom of the die. Lower half of the part is fastened to that angle, while the upper part is fixed to that movable arm. Heated bar or billet is kept into that lower half of the die. The ram delivers strokes on that metal. The time to force to act on that particular locations, the metal gets deformed to get that shape. When these two die halves come together in close alignment, the metal spreads and completely fills the die cavity. The metal gets deformation, like that plastic deformation, and completely fills in that die cavity. So the finally desired shape cannot be obtained a single pass or blow. So draw forging process may involve several blows. Depends that what type of component you have to use or involve that particular operation. So based on you have to do that repetitions. Then only to get that shape of that product. Next we discuss the upset forging. Upset forging is called as machine forging. So machine forging is done on horizontal forging machines. Here the upsetting is to be done is heated and then hammer. In this process, the length of that object is reduced and that cross section is increased. So example, forming of bolt head to produce with the support of upsetting or machining process. Thank you.